What's up, guys? We are out in Oklahoma today. We are doing something being done, and since 2021, I think we're headed out here, Wilkins truck, out here at Tulsa, Oklahoma, for the whatever annual Busted Knuckle truck show right here. So I went out here not before I started doing all this YouTube stuff. I went out here, yeah, 21, September 21, and I think I did my first video in October 21. We're going to go out here and just enjoy some friends we've seen in a while, some people we talk to regularly that we just don't ever get to see each other face to face and hang out, do what friends do. And us truckers, we're a little bit different with our friends. I've got friends at home, then I got friends on the road. The friends on the road, I may talk to them on the phone and bump into them from now and then. But, as far as hanging out, like really getting to hang out, and there'll be good food trucks there. Lots and lots of awesome trucks always there. And it's hosted at a really cool place. Wilkins, I buy some parts from them seeds. They've, I bought my last, I think I bought my last 2 or 3, Boston Pro Riders for them, and just the sort of things. They've got a lot of stuff from 359s too that you can get there. Anyway, we're headed out there. We're out here just a little bit past Silas on line 40, just riding around, and speed limit 75 out here, so we're taking full advantage of that. And we got a couple rainstorms we're trying to beat while we're going out there. Hopefully we can beat the rainstorms, but there's one that we're going to be close with it. And even if we have to wait it out, wait till the road's dry, we'll be real close. We'll be within probably 45 minutes. So hopefully everything will work out. We can make it there without getting wet at all because, we went through hell trying to get this truck cleaned up. I didn't get off work until late yesterday and had to clean it up. Didn't clean the trailer up at all, but we stopped at the Beacon in Little Rock and got her washed up, and that was a mess in itself. So anyway, let's keep riding, and we'll see you at the truck show. They're starting the convoy here. It usually takes them, I don't know, 30-40 minutes to get all the trucks out here and get them in the road. They do, I forget what it is. It's a circle that they do. It's maybe like 20 miles or 15 miles, something like that, but not all the trucks go out, and it's kind of holding out here. There is a cool 359 coming up out here. Got heartbeat stripes. There it is. I like that.
I can't worry about the whole world, Skylar. I keep having to tell myself I can't do it. I can try, but.
Oh shit! I guess you're coming out
Sorry, that's the worst place for me to catch you, but I was trying to help. You would have. I was trying to help.
Are they honking at each other?
Yeah.
And they're honking at each other?
We haven't made it in the
Oh, this is cool.
There's some more under this chair. Fucking Ford Ranger! I want them. Hey,
Perfect little world now, huh?
Yeah, it's a good spider too.
Did you hear that, kid? He said, throw me a beer. He remembers.
Yeah. That's the kid you threw the beer to last year.
You started a whole problem with that kid. Honk honk! I don't have a horn.
That candy's not for you.
Just brought him the
Okay, sir?
Yeah!
I heard lots of screaming.
Hooting and hollering commences.
That car's official for the EPA. He was like, watch out, kid! Sweet!
There's no water.
Water is not in here. You can drink the melted ice.
Yeah, there's a green over there.
Throw ice at him. Hey, you can throw ice at him. Oh my God. Hold on, Sky, the wind might blow you away. You suppose he remembers there's your eyes on the roof? No, he will in a minute though. When they hit.
Here we go. I come.
It just, no fucks given. I sit on the roof, bigger than the trailer every fucking year.
They're gonna be alright, right?
They're good.
We are not merging with traffic.
I mean, other than riding on the roof.
They're pointing out.
Well, I might have to stay for a second. Get right back on. Sorry. Going right back on that.
It's the great.
Hurry up, please.
Get him!
How long is it still taking? Hold on.
I don't know.
You know what I realized? If we could get
Oh, these poor bastards.
Already circulating the fucking Australia.
We literally have people on the roof right
Oh,
now.
no, it's 15 too. That's
They did not.
No, they didn't.
Some of you guys are doing real. Is that actually?
You're going too fast!
Grandmother want another?
That truck is cool.
You should have heard it when we were sitting there eating at the table. They put Jane down and I'm all, Allahu Akbar.
Hey, it's all up. Hold on, watch this. You're on the side. Jump in the sunroof. Grab gear, Mike. Go back and get Jim's hat. Shit! Awful bold of you to assume I'm sober driving.
Well, not today.
That was him.
Are you ever sober enough to
He
drive
tripped
anything?
over my shit.
This is true.
Where were you?
Not in this shit.
Why?
I cooked dinner.
Fuck that.
Fucking David.
I told him to come out to go do it. You want me to go start it?
That's a better than mine.
What? You don't want to see my bear?
Student driver, watch out everybody.
Yeah, I'm working on it. It's okay. Very quickly. Yeah.
Now we're good now. 60 miles on the highway is what we should hold on.
Fuck, he's going next to my truck.
Oh shit.
He's already missed. Yeah. Oh no. Tim's gonna back up his truck in front. Someone told Mike to stop the pit. Yeah.
At least it doesn't look too
You got a straight pipe on it. That's fucking awesome. Oh, you're fine, dude. You are fine. Cow hauler extraordinary. All right, heading out here.